Hello everyone, I am excited to take you shopping with me because we will be creating this beautiful coastal fall decor centerpiece. Here we are, first stop, Hobby Lobby, and guess what? 50% off the dried naturals. I'm liking it because this pampas grass is $20. It's a little bit pricey, but 50% off, that's better. Next, we are at Home Goods and they have dried naturals, and I'm liking this soft wheat grass. I like the color, the price $14.99. It's a big bouquet, so we can have a lot leftovers. Now I'm seeing these seagrass trays. They have 3 different sizes, and we'll be buying the large one, $29.99. Next, it's Whole Foods, and they just brought in the white pumpkins. I see they have different sizes, which I like because we'll be needing 1 large, 2 medium, and small ones, a bunch of them. It's $6.99. Large, medium, or small price is the same. So let's get to work, starting with the large pumpkin, the medium ones, and then you add the small ones, but make sure you have a balance and follow some kind of pattern. It's not a big deal, it's very easy. This is the finished centerpiece. As you can see, it looks beautiful. All natural elements. You don't need more than that. Simple is best. With the leftovers I created a small centerpiece for my kitchen island. And I think it looks pretty cute with a few pumpkins, a seashell, and that's all you need. Sometimes simple is better. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think.